Hello, in this video we intend to withdraw the amount that we deposited using the Skrill method. We go to the Deposit and Withdrawal section and select the Withdraw Funds option. In this section, among the withdrawal methods, the Skrill method is not available. According to the ticket we submitted to support regarding this issue, they informed us that we need to withdraw the amount using other available methods.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
And currently the Skrill method is not available for withdrawals. For this reason, we are choosing another method to withdraw from the account. We will go ahead and select the specific section related to the USDT BEP20 network. We choose the account from which we want to withdraw. In this section, we need to enter the wallet address, the amount of balance we have in our account. After entering the information, we select the Continue option. In this section, we review the withdrawal details. We intend to withdraw this amount using the USDT BEP20 method and select the Continue option. Our request has been registered. And also, if we take a look here in the Request section, we can clearly see that our recent withdrawal request is currently still under review by the system, and it needs to be reviewed by the broker, and after it is processed, its status will change to Done after 1 business day has passed. In the Request section, you can see that the amount of $36.84 has been withdrawn, and its status is now Done. In this video, we intended to withdraw the account using Skrill. However, since Skrill was not among the available withdrawal methods, we made the withdrawal using USDT BEP20. In future videos, we will cover other deposit and withdrawal methods in Grand Capital Broker with you. Wish you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.